Everyone thinks the best-selling solar panels will work for any situation. But is that really true, especially when you're dealing with indirect sunlight? If you look a little closer, you'll find some surprising options that might just outperform the popular picks. Product number 1, Eco-Worthy 400W N-type panels. The Eco-Worthy 400W solar panels caught my eye right away because of their impressive specs and price of $195.99. What stands out is the advanced N-type bifacial technology, which means you can get up to 25% efficiency even in less than ideal lighting. If you're looking for reliable performance in indirect sunlight, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The N-type cells allow for superior power output, and each panel is designed with good low-light performance thanks to built-in bypass diodes. With a 4.96A output, you won't lose out on energy during cloudy days. Plus, the lightweight design makes installation a breeze, even for beginners, thanks to its plug-and-play connectors. Now, some people complained about the installation instructions being a bit vague. Here's the thing though, if you take your time and maybe watch a quick tutorial, you'll likely get the hang of it. It's not a deal breaker for most DIY enthusiasts. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a solid off-grid solution for your home, RV, or even a boat. Skip this one if you're only looking for something to power small devices, as this is more for serious setups. Product number 2, YC-Tech Cam 5W Solar Panel. Next up is the YC-Tech Cam 5W solar panel, priced at just $29.99. This one grabbed my attention because it's specifically designed to keep your security cameras powered without the hassle of changing batteries. If you want to ensure your home is always monitored without interruption, this is worth a serious look. With a 360-degree adjustable mount, you can position it to catch the most sunlight possible, even if it's indirect. It's lightweight and easy to install, making it a great addition to your home security setup. However, some users mention that it doesn't work with certain popular camera brands like Arlo or Ring. But here's the thing, if you already have compatible cameras, this is a fantastic choice for keeping them charged and ready. This is perfect for you if you're looking to enhance your home security system without the constant battery replacements. Skip this one if you have cameras that aren't compatible, as you'd just be wasting your time. Product number 3, BONAI 9W Solar Panels. The BONAI 2-pack of 9W solar panels comes in at $36.99, and I was really impressed with the value it offers. This pack is designed for various outdoor devices, making it a great choice for anyone needing reliable power without breaking the bank. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to keep your devices charged, this is worth a serious look. These panels come with a 10-foot USB-C cable and adapters, which means you can easily hook them up to your devices. Plus, their IP65 waterproof rating ensures they can handle rain and snow without a hitch. The 9W output can provide stable power even on cloudy days, which is essential when sunlight isn't at its peak. Some folks pointed out the installation could be a bit tricky at first. But honestly, once you get the mounting bracket set up, it's smooth sailing from there. Just a minor learning curve for a lot of benefits. This is perfect for you if you have a range of outdoor gadgets like cameras or lights that need charging. Skip this one if you're looking for something specifically for high-demand devices, as this is better suited for smaller applications. Product number 4, Renagi Shadow Flux Solar Panel. At $237.99, the Renagi Shadow Flux solar panel is a bit of an investment, but it really delivers on performance. I was drawn to its Shadow Flux technology, which allows it to generate power even in shaded areas. If you live in a spot with lots of trees or nearby buildings, this panel is worth a serious look. The 25% efficiency rating means you're getting some of the best power output on the market, and its construction is designed for durability in harsh weather. It's also compact, making it easier to fit on various setups, whether it's for RVs, boats, or home use. This panel is built to last, and the warranty backs that up. However, a few reviewers mentioned that it might be overkill for casual users. But here's the thing, if you need reliable energy in less than ideal conditions, or for larger systems, This panel is an excellent investment. This is perfect for you if you're serious about off-grid power solutions and want something that stands up to various elements. Skip this one if you're just looking for a casual solar panel for minor tasks. Product number 5, Flex Solar 60W Portable Solar Charger. Last but not least is the Flex Solar 60W Portable Solar Charger, which is priced at $69.99. This caught my eye because it's portable and versatile, making it a great option for camping or emergency power needs. If you want something that can go wherever you go, this is worth a serious look. With multiple charging ports, including USB-C and USB-A, it can power a wide range of devices, from phones to small solar generators. The IP67 waterproof rating adds another layer of protection, allowing you to use it in various weather conditions. Plus, it's foldable and lightweight, making transport a breeze. Some users found that the output drops significantly in low-light conditions, which can be frustrating. But honestly, when you're using it as a portable charger, it's still effective in most situations, especially during the day. This is perfect for you if you're an outdoor enthusiast or need a reliable backup power source. Skip this one if you're looking for something strictly for home use, as its portable nature is not as ideal for stationary setups. So there you have it, 5 solid options for solar panels that excel in indirect sunlight. Whether it's the advanced technology of the Renagi Shadow Flux or the budget-friendly BONAI panels, there's something for everyone. Each of these picks has its strengths, so think about your specific needs before making a choice.